everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and like and subscribe if you love
Now,
this video.
start video.
My channel name is Aniket Pio. Today I'm going to teach you healthy water. Look what I have. This is beetroot, this is carrot, this is ginger, this is mint, and this is coriander, and this is cucumber, and lastly is lemon, some water, and some jug. Let's put it together. Which I'm going to show you. Carrot, cucumber, beetroot, lemon, mint, or coriander, and ginger.
First you put.
Carrot.
Okay, put it.
I love carrots, guys. Also, you good.
Next, ginger.
Yeah.
Okay, put it ginger. Then,
Cucumber.
okay, put it.
You need to drink this with the healthy water.
Yes.
I'm going to make it strong.
Then what you put?
Beetroot.
Okay.
Healthy water is fun.
Then,
Mint, coriander.
mint and coriander.
Oopsie, oopsie. Now is lemon.
Last, lemon. Put it. No, put it like this.
Oops. Now this is
Last.
water. Oh no, so heavy, guys.
Wait. I help you.
Thank you guys for helping me. Oops.
Okay.
The water fell down in the table. Let me clean it, guys.
Nope.
I'm gonna bring the napkin. Here's the napkin, guys.
It's okay, no problem.
Oh no, it's not.
It's okay, no problem. No problem.